So I'll first go ahead and pull back up our documents, and I'll go ahead and run the read MIP script here to read the labels of both our sensitive data as well as our no data classification file. And we can see with the sensitive data file, there is a tag, it's PII. This was created as of this recording today, and this label is in fact in place. And if we run the same script for the no data classification file, we'll see that there's just no MIP label for this file. And these documents are actually duplicates of each other, but one with the MIP label and one without. Notice the slight file size difference, but otherwise they are the same. And now we can just go ahead and run ChatGPT, and we'll try to upload both files and see the difference in how CyberCrucible handles the actual data access at the endpoint level. So now with ChatGPT, go ahead and first just try to upload one of our protected files from our documents folder here. So we'll start with the MIP sensitive data docx, and we immediately see that there's just no permission to open the file, and that's because ChatGPT is actually being blocked from the kernel level by CyberCrucible from opening this file. And we'll see that this is actually the same for any of the protected documents in this folder, that none of them are actually being able to be opened or be uploaded to ChatGPT for any unacceptable use. But if we go ahead and try to look at the no data classification docx, which is the one that had the no MIP labels, we'll see that ChatGPT is able to access that file perfectly normally, and we can even ask it just analyze this file. And we'll see that it is in fact actually HIPAA data, and it is not real HIPAA data, of course, but a fake document with fake information, and that it was able to actually access the file and read it and upload the data to the server. So if this was real HIPAA data, that MIP label being missing here would have actually caused a pretty severe data breach for uploading it to ChatGPT, versus when CyberCrucible is actually protecting against the AI, either with a user manually uploading the files or potentially any iterative crawling and learning and uploading to shared drives or servers that might have happened without the user even knowing about it.